Alright everyone, what's going on? So today we're going to review a live store from someone who requested it. So if you want your store to be reviewed next, you got to make sure that you got a little bit of sales, because I want to prioritize people who are actually spending money on ads. So if you just got a proof of concept, at least test it out, because otherwise there's just no point reviewing it, like it's too early in the stages. But anyway, look, today we're going to review a store. He's breaking even. He's almost making a loss. So let's get straight to it. Alright, so we're gonna review his store right now. So if you haven't watched the last one, make sure you watch that one, because I'm gonna give you new points in each review, because there's so much stuff. I can't do everything in one video, because so that way make sure you watch all of them, because I give different stuff in each one. I don't do the same thing, because there's so many different things you can talk about. So make sure you watch the last one, because I spoke about a lot about messenger stuff and support, cutting your support time, and building a messenger list, chat bots, and all that stuff. So I'm not going to talk about it in this one. This one's going to be a little different, all right? So make sure. So let's get straight to it. I don't want to waste any more time talking, but so yeah. So the first thing we're going to do is, so you can see these are his top 5 products that he's been selling, and he said he's basically breaking even. So let's look at his website. So this is his website. It's called Pirate Prime. It's a cool website. It's a pretty good name. I like the name Pirate Prime. It's a good name, and he's actually got the domain for it as well. So that's really good. So the first thing I'm gonna say up front, that this cover photo has to go, man. Look, your whole website theme is just, it's not congruent with what you're selling. So you're selling tech stuff, you're selling mouses, controllers, just this whole kind of tech vibe, like headphones, batteries. You need to change up your whole theme. So this cover photo has got to go. All right, it's got to go. You got to bring something new, something like a tech vibe. Just go on Google, find some good photos, man. Literally, just find some good high resolution photos. Go on like free stock photos. Just get something really good. And just the overall theme has to be this white background. Just change it up, man. Like, give it like a dark, cool background, like a dark with like cool lights and stuff. So this white background, it's like you just want to change it just to give out that theme. Okay, so that's the first step. So just change all that up. Change up the whole theme. This theme is just, it looks like you just install the theme, and then you just find this from Google Image. I swear I've used this from Google Images before. I think I've used that before. Um, so yeah, so like I said, it just looks very basic. So just change all that up. That's just step number one. It's very simple. It's not too difficult. All right. So yeah, so the cover photo, that's step one, and then the website theme. So all that really is just the images. Just change the images and the overall feel of the website. Okay. And then next thing we want to look at is, so I'm actually looking at these titles. So basically, I'm going to review his ad campaign as well. So I'm going to give some tips on how to change his ad campaign, because obviously it's not all about the website. It's also the ad campaigns and how he's doing that. So I'm going to talk about that after the website. So when you're looking at these titles, I mean, just remove just remove the discount, man. Literally, just remove all the discounts. You're saying 25. It just doesn't look good. Just remove all the discounts. Alright, so first time people come to your website, they don't really want a discount, they just want to buy the product. Alright, discount can come later on. You can do that for people who've added to cart. Okay, so someone that's added to cart, then give them a discount. Don't give a discount like I'm on your website now, like I don't need a discount. So when I look at it, it's just like it just removes the value from the product. Like you're giving discounts on everything. It's like it's not even the product name, it's just 50% off. Like literally, you come here, you see 30% off. Like, but what about the product itself? So just give them good titles and remove the discounts, man. Like that's so simple. I want you to do this. Remove the discounts, but give out the discounts to people who add to cart. Okay, and also what you want to do is, I'd say you get an exit pop-up. So I'm gonna write it down actually. Okay, so have an exit pop-up. So I'm gonna write it down here. So exit pop-up on the add to cart or product page with 10% off. Okay, so that's even better. So this is where your discount codes are actually going to work. So the first time someone sees it, they think, all right, should I buy it? Should I not buy it? I'm going to add it to cart. Actually, you know what? I think it's too expensive. And then boom, your exit pop comes right. You know what? You're going to get 10% off today with free shipping. All right, so that's what you want to do. So you want to do for people who add to cart, who are actually trying to buy. instead of people who just come to your website for the first time. Because otherwise it doesn't seem like a discount because you gave it to them before they even needed it or asked for it. So make sure you do that. That's super important. Next thing we're going to look at is your product landing page. Because when you're running your ads, you're going to send people, directly to the product landing page, and that's going to tie in exactly. So I looked at your ads. So you sent me your ads. Let me open this up. And I can see, so you said you've been running Instagram post ads and Instagram story ads. The thing with story ads is, I don't want to use them for retargeting. So unless you're retargeting, don't use story ads. Okay, do not use story ads. Story ads are really good, but for retargeting, okay? That's when they really excel. Because, and you gotta do them the right, because when I saw your ads, so let's take a look at his ads. I'm gonna show you guys in just a second. You can see his ads, there's just too many products in your ads. You got like five, six different products all in one ad. They're like kind of unrelated as well. So it's like you got a hoodie in there, you got these controllers, and then there's the mouse in there as well. So it's like you want to use carousel ads. So let's write it down here. So I wrote down carousel ads. Okay, so you want to start using carousel ads, and then for each ad on Instagram, so when you're using carousel ads, so this is actually what I use, by the way, and it's the first time I'm telling you on YouTube. So if I'm telling you, you better use carousel ads. Trust me, this works really, really well. So carousel ads, that way you can have one product per image, and they can just slide through, and that way you can have 20 products that way. You can literally have like 5-10 products that way, and it just looks so much more professional. So you want to use carousel ads, and when you send them to the landing page, so let's talk about your landing page. So let's look at this one. So it's good that you made it you made the background transparent. I don't know if you did or you found it like that, but it's good that way. Like I said, the background has to change. You want to give it a cool experience, a cool background. So now let's talk about your landing page. So this landing page is kind of okay, and I don't know why this is red, because you want to keep a consistent theme, yeah? So I'm thinking for your website theme, you might want to stick around like dark green or like kind of like dark reddish. So the color that goes kind of with this mouse. So whatever you do, just choose a good color that fits in with the whole gaming niche, and just use it across your whole website. So look, you can see here, this is green right here, but when people click it, and then you can see like it changes to whatever, it changes to red. So just keep a consistent color scheme on your website. So choose on a color, just pick one and use it across your whole website. Very simple, yeah. And the next step is we're going to change your landing page. This is a bad landing page. This is not a good landing page. It's all over the place. It just doesn't look good, man. So how do you change it? Look, I'm gonna tell you that. So the first step is, like I said, you want to change the color scheme. The background is going to change. All right, you're gonna get yourself a good background from stock photos, or you're gonna take some, or you're gonna find some good theme to use on your website. That's the first step. And also you're gonna change the titles, like we said earlier. And most importantly, all right, so let me show you what a good landing page looks like, because obviously you need to see a good one. So post notification, we're going to talk about another review. This is more advanced, so don't do post notifications yet. I'm going to talk about it in the next review probably. Trust me, it's more advanced. It's not something you want to do now. But anyway, look, this is a good landing page. So GoPro, they're paying like thousands to consultants to show them how to do this, and you can see their landing page is all videos. Watch video, watch video. Literally, you come right here, another video right here. It's like it's videos everywhere and big images. Alright, so that's what you want to do. You want to find images and videos for this particular product, and you want to list them out right here, the same way GoPro has. It's not hard. It's very easy, and you want to list out the features in a good sequence. Okay, so make sure you find videos, and I'm sure there's so many YouTube reviews of this mouse, people using it. Put a video right there. Literally just write in the description, have a video, and it say, look, watch this mouse being used live in action. Okay, people are going to watch the review, because the first thing 99% of people do before they buy something, like around this, usually around $10 to $50, most of the time they watch a review, and you just want the review to be there, so you don't have to go to Google, find a review, and the next thing you know, they're gonna click on the link in the description for that video and they're gonna buy it there. So have the review video right here, so you can embed it within Shopify. So you want to put a review video there so that people can watch it. Okay, and then like I said, find 5 good features of that product and list them out in big images. Okay, so you want to have the mouse in the image and say, right, this mouse is I don't know, it's got 6 buttons, it's 3200 DPI, I don't know, whatever good features, find like 4 or 5 and just mimic this GoPro page. Literally, you can see, look, for this camera set, it's shake free. It's ready to roll. A single press of the shutter button, powers on the camera, starts recording automatically. So what are the 5 things about this mouse that you can list out that just catches people's attention straight away? Okay, so I don't want to go on any longer, but you get the idea now. There's so many things you can do right now to change up and use the carousel ads. Test out about 6 different ads. Always test out different ads. Use carousel ones. Um, and yeah, so apply everything I said, and trust me, it's gonna change. It's gonna change the game for you. It's literally gonna change everything. And combine it with what I said in the last tutorial, and you're gonna be good to go. Literally, you're gonna be good to go. This is enough to keep you going. Alright, give us an update. Give me an update on how your store is doing. So in about a couple of weeks, in a week from now, 2 weeks from now, give us an update on how your store is doing, and I might just review again. Who knows? Or we might even review again because just to keep it going. I just want to make a couple stores successful instead of reviewing like 100 different stores, and it's like, we don't know what's going on. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. By the way, I'm doing a live web class every Thursday, so make sure you subscribe. Like, and obviously turn on post notification. But there's going to be a link for free Facebook ads training, so sign up there, and then it's going to sign you up for the Thursday training on how to make money with Facebook ads. All right, so make sure you do that. That's all I got for today, and peace out.